Hi, Natasha.
Hi again.
Hi. Well, guys, I'm Brooke WIlliamson.
I'm Natasha Case.
We're gonna play a little game today. You've probably heard of this game in one form or another. We're gonna play Marry, Kiss, Kill. Have you heard of this game?
It's a little different the way I played it.
A little bit different than maybe than you've played it before.
A little naughtier.
There are 3 items under here.
Okay.
And you're gonna take a look, feel free to taste if you'd like, and then you're gonna decide which one you wanna marry, which one you wanna kiss, and which one you wanna kill.
Okay.
All right?
I think I got that.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
All right. What we have in front of us is a beautiful yellow mustard, super extra creamy mayonnaise, and the world's finest ketchup.
Fantastic.
Some
With
call it
original
ketchup.
British spelling.
Catsup.
Yes.
Ketchup.
I assume these are all homemade from your kitchen.
Yes, I spent hours earlier today.
15 minutes
So
each.
watch your words, okay?
Okay. It's all that emotional, connection.
You have a lot of nostalgia with these.
I do, and I have to say, for me, the mustard's really calling my name because Coolhaus, we became famous for making a mustard ice cream.
Oh.
I don't know if you've tried it. If you haven't, I will get that to your doorstep.
I would love to.
So I'm going to go with
that. So
that.
that's a positive vibe.
That's my
So that's
Mary.
either a Mary or, oh, that's a Mary. You
I
already
think
know.
that's a Mary. Yeah, I'm like, when you know, you know.
All right, you have 2 other options.
And then this is where it's a little tougher for me on the kiss, is it? The ketchup. It can be a little bit overly sweet. I'm more one to go for that, artisan version. Then I think about
You like
my
a homemade
kids.
ketchup?
Yeah, like a little bit more kind of rustic as opposed to like the bottle. I like maybe more like the Simply ketchup
Okay,
one.
that's strange,
Where you're like,
but
it's just
go on.
ketchup. Yeah. I feel like the mayonnaise, I kind of want to kiss it instead of kill it because I feel like I can use it for other things. I love like a tuna melt. And then the ketchup's so like, it's almost like too sweet, but then I think about the kids, what am I going to do without ketchup on the table for them? They won't eat any vegetables. I don't know.
What I really want to do is I want to combine these together.
Yes.
Yeah.
That would be cheating?
I mean, that's not an option.
That's the
so I'm just glad this is your turn.
Yeah. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to then, in that case, take the ketchup out to the graveyard.
You're going to kill the ketchup. So
Bury it.
final answer.
Yeah.
You're going to marry the mustard. You're going to kiss the mayonnaise.
I'm going to kiss the mayonnaise. Never thought I'd say that in
And
my life.
then you're going to kill the ketchup.
Yeah.
Wow. Not the direction I would have gone.
Okay.
But,
See, now this is a table turning, literally.
Literal
on camera.
table turn. Okay.
Little table turn. That good old lazy Susan.
Okay.
And now you're in the hot seat for marry, kiss. On that side, off camera it's harder. It just looks like we're having like a stroke kind of. Or kill.
I'm going to start with the kill because unless I can combine the ketchup and the mayonnaise, I only want the mayonnaise mixed with stuff.
Okay.
That's
good.
I'm not a firm believer of extra mayonnaise just for the sake of mayonnaise.
taste
I don't. Really, I don't. So I'm going to kill the mayonnaise. And now it's just a matter of marriage and kissing. I know, right? Ketchup is something I inherently feel married to.
Okay.
Talk about nostalgic flavor. I also feel like there's a lot of use for ketchup.
That's totally true.
But no, I'm gonna marry the ketchup, and I feel like mustard is a frisky ingredient. So I'm gonna kiss the mustard. It's got like spice and tang.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a
makeout.
lively sort of side chick.
Yeah.
So, I've got marry, kiss, kill.
So we have nothing in common.
Apparently not.
This first date.
I really enjoy hanging out with you. Actually, I feel like this works to our benefit because there would be no fighting.
Right, if like Earth's ending, then I'll
Yeah.
just take this run. Yeah. Yeah, I can combine. I'll make a tuna melt.
Yeah.
On apocalypse.
All right, that was fun.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. That's marry, kiss, kill. Peace out.